Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to use this Kreg hinge jig to drill holes for your doors and concealed hinges. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. We're about to get started. So let's first unbox everything. There's quite a few things that come with this jig, and I'm going to lay them all out here on my table. Okay, so I have fully assembled the Concealed Kreg jig hole system, and what it is here is you have a little Allen wrench storage spot. That's for putting the stop collar on and tightening it. This helps you adjust the depth. The standard depth is what it's automatically set for, and there's different numbers on here ranging from 3, 4, 5, and 6. It comes set up for number 5, which is mostly the standard size for your hinges, and that's what I use for most of mine. One really nice feature is that this twists off and comes off, and really why they did that is so you can attach your drill to this. Your drill's attached, and then you can simply just take it, push it on here, and then it locks back in place. Now, I don't always do that. Sometimes I just attach my drill to it. Right here, I open up my chuck, I put the drill bit on, I tighten it up and it spins, and I'm good to go. The one thing I want to show you about this is how this system works here. So this would be your board that you're going to put a hole on, and this right here, you can see, aligns itself, okay? And that's making sure that this hole is exactly where it needs to be. And certain hinges require certain offsets. So you can change and adjust this, which will offset it like this or more. And you can just see on the back, that's how it functions and how it works. So let me show you how this actually works with an actual door and show you everything that you need to know about it. Okay, so you can set the hole wherever you want along your door. I'm just gonna do what looks right, but just be consistent on the bottom as well. I think I'm gonna use the 60 mark right here and clamp it down. Now you can use any clamps you want. I'm just using these because I just have them. Okay, so this freely moves. It's ready to go. It's all clamped down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach my drill. All right, I'm gonna turn it on high and we're just gonna cut it down. All right, there you go. And this door hinge fits just like that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. I'd really appreciate it. It helps others find this video too. Well guys, if you want to check out other things that I'm building, consider subscribing. All right guys, till next time, I'll see you later.